Hello, welcome to the next session of partitioning. My name is Serge Bawazi.
Here with Habineza Michel. We are both trainers at Rubenja TVET School.
In the previous video, we saw partition frame drawings.
Let's now continue with how to set out a frame.
Hello everyone, my name is Habimana Gabire Devota and I am Carpentry trainer at Rubenja TVET School. Today we have the first session which is about setting out a partition frame. The objectives of session is that at the end you will be able to distinguish techniques used for fixing partition frame. The second is that you will be able to identify clearly the tools used for partition framing. I request you to follow attentively and to take some notes because they will help you in the future. The following step is to see how to fix the frame to the wall and to the floor. We will need some tools for fixing. The first one, we need this hammer driller with drilling bit so that it can drill to the floor and to the wall. And also, we need wall plugs which can be fixed in the wall or in the floor so that they can hold the screws. The next tool is power driller with drilling bit. With this tool, we can drill into the wood so that while we drive the screws, the piece of wood cannot split. And also we can use power driller with fixing bit so that we can drive screws into the wood. Before that, we can use those tools. We have to measure where you have to fix your screws. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.